Kuwait Police and Customs. Big bust in Kuwait. The Ministry of Interior has dismantled an organized smuggling network involved in exporting petroleum products illegally abroad. Containers, fuel tanks, Kabd area. Customs officers discovered 10 containers, falsely declared as iron, but inside petroleum products worth millions. Police raid footage. Blurred suspects. An organized gang including citizens, Indians, and a Syrian national collected petroleum in the Kabd area, stored it and shipped it out using forged documents, confiscated equipment and containers. Authorities raided a makeshift plant, arrested 3 suspects, and exposed an 8-month-long smuggling operation with 2 shipments per month. MOI logo and police. The Ministry of Interior vows to protect Kuwait's resources and crack down on smuggling. No compromises.